Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday from Australia. Love you.
Hi guys, it's me again, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Did you know it's my mother's birthday? Today, we are going to make something special. Today, we will make banana cake and sushi bake. Are you ready? Then let's get started! First, we will make sushi bake. Mango, cream cheese, crabsticks, and Japanese mayo. Now we will make banana cake. Banana cake. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. Love you. That's it, guys. Hope you like a delicious banana cake and yummy sushi bake. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more exciting and amazing videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Mama! Woohoo!
Hi Mama, good morning. I know it's your birthday today. I miss you so much. I know I'm far away from you guys, but you know that I always pray for you, and I wish you a very happy birthday today. Enjoy your birthday with the kids and the family. Hopefully next year we'll be together and we'll be celebrating your birthday here in Australia. I love you so much, Mama. Take care always. Take care of the kids. God bless you. I love you so much. Bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday from Australia. Love you.
Thank you for watching.